YouTube is obviously one of the places where we get information as developers. That's why in today's video, I'll be talking to you about 5 developers that I think you should follow on YouTube. These are my top 5 personal favorites based on the kind of niche that they focus on, their style of presenting information, and so many other factors. I would like to know who your favorite developers are on YouTube, so kindly drop those in the comment section. If it's your first time on the channel, please kindly subscribe so that you'll be among the first set of people that know when new things drop on the channel. Let's get into it. Top of the list is Fireship.io. Fireship helps you to understand virtually anything in 100 seconds. Go ahead and try it. Tailwind in 100 seconds, Docker in 100 seconds, SVG in 100 seconds, virtually everything in 100 seconds. So before you go bury yourself in a 2 hours long tutorial or buy that Udemy course, you may first want to see the big picture, and this channel helps you do just that. Another thing I like about Fireship is the coding style. Instead of typing the code line by line, which can get boring to be very honest, Jeff pastes the code and explains what it does, which honestly helps to save a lot of your time, and really, there's no added advantage of watching him write the code. The channel is hosted by Jeff Delaney, who is a senior software developer and Google developer expert for Firebase. Up next is Raae Codes. If you want to go from 0 to a hero in Gatsby functions and Gatsby in general, while having fun of course, well, Queen Raae and the Natamo Pirates is your plug. I learned everything I know about Gatsby functions from Queen Raae through the Gatsby Summer functions and the Friday live streams on Raae Codes YouTube channel. What I love about this channel is the fact that everything is live and you get what finding and fixing errors look like in real life.
That if statement should be if, not email.
While working on projects. Your hosts are Queen Benedicte Raae, a senior software developer and the creator of POW, the Privacy First Menstrual Cycle Journal, Pulse Canon, and Ola, who brings the F to fun and junior developer on POW. The third YouTube channel I think every developer should be subscribed to is Akram. If you want to have an in-depth knowledge on the front of the front end, from creating sustainable design systems to interactions, animations, and WebGL, Akram is the YouTube channel you have been looking for. Akram is literally the only software developer on YouTube providing quality content on animations, layouts, and many more. What I love especially is how Khalid does a deep dive into some concepts a lot of YouTubers, including myself, shy away from, and doesn't do just beginner level stuffs. He also uses real world examples just to ensure that you see that this is not fiction. The channel is hosted by Akram Khalid, who currently works as a UX engineer at ClickUp and leads a active lifestyle. Up next is the coding train. If you want to level up your JavaScript and thinking like a programmer in general, then you want to hop on the coding train. Pun intended. Hosted by Daniel Schiffman, an art professor, yeah, you heard right, art professor at New York University, NYU, which I think pretty much explains where the energy comes from. Daniel walks you through how to create awesome stuff using JavaScript, P5JS, and code in general in a very energetic way. I found this channel when I was trying to wrap my head around prototypes, and it's finally clicked. The last but not the least is Ben Awad. From creating VS Code stories to vCinder, a Tinder-like extension for VS Code, Ben is the definition of I have superpowers, which is coding, and I'm going to use it to make whatever I want, and he does. What I enjoy most about Ben's YouTube channel is the way he talks about how he built these products without dwelling much on the code, which I really enjoy as it helps me personally see the big picture of how products like this are built in real life. Ben is currently building Astra fans and documenting his process as usual on the channel. Ben also creates in-depth videos on programming in general, so do ensure you check it out. And there you have it, guys, my top 5 favorite developers on YouTube that I think you should follow. Do let me know in the comment section who your favorite developers on YouTube are, and I will do well to check them out. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and of course, drop those comments in the comment section. Cheers, love ya, and don't forget to build like a boss.